my dear friends, welcome back to Sparkle with Jyoti. I am so excited today for this video because it has really made a huge difference in my life, and I wanted to share it with you as well, so that if any of you avail this, and make use of it, you can also find the same benefits what it has brought in my life. So guys, as we all are going through such tough times, and we are going through our share of the quarantine, the self-isolation, and all these uncertain times, right? And we are always relying on our 9 to 5 job, and which is supposed to be so secure and so permanent, but right now, these days, it makes us question that is it really that permanent or that secure, right? And what about our side hustle or passion or interest, what we have kept behind, hidden somewhere in back of our minds? And there are so many people who know, every day they ask me, how do you do it, how do you manage your your work, your job, as well as your YouTubing and blogging and so many things, right? And let me tell you, I too struggle, but then it is that passion, that interest, which keeps you going on all these tough days and tough times, and you cannot stop. Like once you start, I feel it is so addictive and so gives you so much of happiness that you just can't stop. And I wanted to share the same thing with you, how you can do it, and you can also feel every day as a new day, and motivated and energetic every day. So if you are interested in this particular topic, then please keep on watching, guys. So guys, there are several people who are asking me on daily basis that what do you do, how do you do it, and what gives you that motivation and that courage to do all these things every day? Because many of you know that I have been YouTubing and doing YouTube last 2.5 years, and plus I am doing brand deals, sponsorships. I even write for my website. I write blogs for my website, and I also do a lot of content writing, and so many creative things. And plus I have I have my other work as well, my daughter to take care of. And let me tell you, it is not easy. It needs a lot of time and energy. And but one thing is for sure, that all these things what you're doing right now pays off later on, okay? It is not an easy task, and it is not something which you can make quick money. And but definitely if you put in your time, effort, and with focused approach, if you go into this particular thing, you will definitely reap results later on, right? Because what I have been doing past 2.5 years, I started giving me results and paying me off recently. Recently I got my first YouTube payment. And it is you just have to work hard and give in your best, because content creating, it's not so easy. But yes, of course, what I want to say is that what gives you the energy and what makes you pump in the content each and every day, on a daily basis, without expecting any results, right? So you need to find that one thing, or the one passion, or the one interest which you will do even for free. If anybody tells me to make videos for free, I will do that, because I love talking on camera. I love making videos and sharing basically my story or whatever helps me. That is what was my goal, and that was my motto, and still is my motto. Till I die, I want to do that. I want to inspire people, help people, and pass on the information, whatever helps me out. And that is the thing what I can do. So what is that one thing, or that one passion, or one interest of yours which you are ready to do even for free? So that is definitely something to think about, right? You can think on that and let me know later in the comment section, maybe if what is your interest and what you're passionate about. But yeah, for me, this was it. And I wanted to convert it basically into a business opportunity, or an income earning kind of thing. And I was thinking for a mentor last so many days. And what happens in this creative field is so huge these days, and it's definitely going to be more huge and more bigger in the upcoming years, because digital marketing, YouTubing, blogging, content creating is going to be really huge, a huge market in the next few years. And you obviously need a mentor, a person who can guide you and show you some ropes in the industry. And that is a time when Saloni Srivastava walked in my life, and I have been following her last 2.5 years. Many of you must be knowing she's an amazing big famous YouTuber, and she has almost 3 lakhs subscribers, and she has her own Hustle Post Academy which she started recently. She is an amazing writer, amazing content creator, and a very, very down to earth person. You can really learn a lot from her if you get to know her. Even from her videos, she passes out so much informative content. And since I wanted to convert this into something big, I got to know, as soon as I got to know this opportunity of a Hustle Post Academy, I, without thinking even for 5 minutes, I joined in, because I trusted that this is going to benefit me in my life. And this is not like a just 1 or 2 days, 2-month course. This is a complete 1-year course which is providing, and the price of that is just like 7,449 as of now. But if you use my code, you can get 5% discount on that. And what it includes is that it includes a foundation course which you can finish like in a 1 month or time, or less than that depending on your speed. And it not only gives you that, but it also gives you a lot of live engagement. So you have Zoom calls directly with Saloni every week, twice. Okay, so you can ask whatever questions you have in your mind directly to her. You can email her directly, so she's completely accessible to any kind of if you have any doubts or questions. And she was the push which I got basically to start my skin consultation services one-on-one, which I started recently. And otherwise I wouldn't have the courage and the guts to do it, but that the academy, Saloni, everyone else gave me the push. And we are almost 600 plus students in the academy as of now. And there's also a Facebook community which supports each other. It's like a family, because it's so difficult to talk to someone or about your side hustle or your passion, that yes, I want to do that, and to get some advice. So it's really good if you have some kind of supporters or similar minds people with whom you can talk and discuss all this, right? And I'm so glad that I got this community. I learn every day something new. It's every day is a challenge. It's so much motivation going on, and there are so many amazing people in the community. You get to learn so much from them. Everybody is from different fields and from all over the world. So somebody's like from Australia, somebody from US, and from Sweden, India, all kinds of different talented minds coming together, and we all learn together. And I have been really enjoying, it has been almost 1 month now, and I'm really enjoying. And this course is going to go on till next year. So every month we have power-ups of meetups, master classes basically, online, and that includes different topics. For example, in June we will be taught how to maybe start content writing and convert it into a full-time career. Then maybe July it will be how to do YouTubing, and then so on. So different kinds of topics will be covered every month. And so we get guidance on everything, how to start posting on Instagram, and what kind of strategies, business strategies, and how to go about it, how to give more value to your audience or to your friends maybe, basically. So it's so amazing, and I am so happy and glad that I could offers the same thing to you. So if you are someone who is really tired of 9 to 5 job and wants to start your side hustle, you can definitely look into this course. Okay, 7,000 is nothing for a 1-year course. It's very affordable, and that is going to decide your entire life, the next whatever years of your life. So I highly recommend this particular course to you, and I have really benefited from this. And if you if you can benefit as well, then nothing like it, right? So all the details I will mention in the description box, so you can get all the details. If you can check the website, you can check the details of it, and you yourself will understand what is the how it is and how to go about it and all that. And so you can just use my code. It is JyotiK5, and you can get 5% discount on the course. And guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you avail this course and get benefited by it, and find your passion, find your side hustle, and convert into a business, a full-time business, by the end of this course. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you next time, and till then, stay positive and stay happy. Bye bye, take care.